Hello and welcome to VLEIT.com. My name is Mo and I'm going to show you how to create your first application using Dreamweaver. First of all, you need to check if your Apache server is running. I'm using a Mac computer, so I can check the control panel of XAMPP, and it's fully functioning. I can see the Apache and MySQL both are green. If you're using a Windows PC, you can do the same. The XAMPP control panel can be launched, or if you installed the XAMPP package, Apache and MySQL, if you ticked the box to install Apache and PHP as services, then they should have started when you log into the computer. Now, I will launch Dreamweaver. You don't have to have Dreamweaver to program in PHP. You can use a text notepad or text editor to do that, but I'm going to use Dreamweaver. But first of all, you'll need to set up the site. I'm going to set up a new site. I'll call it test. The site root directory should be the htdocs folder, and then I created a folder called test. I choose it. Now the htdocs folder on a Windows-based PC, you will find this under C drive XAMPP, where XAMPP is installed, and under XAMPP there is a folder called htdocs. Click choose. Click the advanced settings. The site is called test. The servers, you can add some more information here. The server name, I'll call it localhost. Connect using local network, and the server root directory is htdocs test. The web URL is localhost/test. If you're using PHP, you should choose PHP MySQL. As you can see, I've got some other choices like .NET VB, .NET C#. The reason you have to choose PHP MySQL because every time you create a new file, it will be saved as PHP. Click save. Save. Now the server has been set up for you. Now I'll create a new file. I just created a new file, and it's calling it untitled.html. Well, it looks like it's not calling it .php. But I'm going to call it index.php. That will be the default page. If we select that page, and that's a design mode, and if we go into code view, the code view is showing the basic HTML. Adobe does that for you. Now, in the body tags, I'm just going to add one line code. Now, before you do any kind of code, you need to know that you'll have to type the PHP within these tags. So the web server, Apache server, knows that you're trying to code in PHP. You must have these two tags to begin and end a PHP code. So what we'll do, we'll use a function called date to print out today's date. Capital Y means the bigger version of year. We'll save it, and then go into the browser, localhost, and then test. We didn't do echo, did we? To add echo in order to print the date. File save. There's nothing to print previously. If we refresh that page, it's giving us the correct date of today. So, which means the Apache, PHP, and MySQL, we haven't tested MySQL yet, but at least Apache and PHP both are working just fine. Now you can delete the date bit and type in something else, another function called PHP info. This will return the current PHP configuration of your site. Save it and go back to the browser and just refresh. That's the current PHP configuration for your web server. So this is how you create a new file. I've shown you how to set up a server for Dreamweaver, and from now on, if you add a new page, it will be listed here. You can add a lot more features, we'll show in the near future. Thank you for watching.